Hi everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. I have my Tonic Craft Kit opening and I was supposed to do it yesterday, but what else is new? No power. Awesome. It's like freezing in New Jersey. It's windy. It's cold. It's just yucky weather. It snows. It's been snowing like constant. I don't even know what's going on. So thankfully, as you see, I got the power back, and let's all cross our fingers it stays here. So, got my craft kit. I love my Tonic Craft Kit. I think it's so worth it. I love it. This month's kit is fun. I open it up like a little treasure chest. And I swatched these colors and stuff for you. Move you over there. This is Ruby Red Pure Sheen Glitter. A little bit of a glare. I don't know how to even remotely fix a glare. Not in here. Pure Sheen Ruby Red Nouveau. Awesome. That guy there. These are fun. These are the Nouveau Stone Drops. So when they dry, they feel like a stone as opposed to, you know, the ones that are like pearl or glitter, you know. And this color is Fiery Volcano. Cool. This is a mica mist. I have glue all over my hands. Please forgive me. Been working my head off on something. Okay, this is a mica mist, and it is called Crimson Velvet. And this guy is loads of fun. Very excited about him. This is Glimmer Paste in Rich Cocoa. You might be like, well, what are you so excited? I'm going to tell you because it's awesome. So, first, here's the spray, and it just does not look like Crimson Velvet to me. The lighting is poor. This, it's a mica, so it gets, you see. But here's the thing. Here, for you guys, to me, it has a brownish, coppery-ish thing going on. But when I hear, you know, Crimson Velvet, I expect red, crimson. So this Rich Cocoa Paste, oh my gosh, no glitter is coming off. You could paste anything and have all the glitter. I'm trying to scrape it off. Not coming off. So I think this is amazing. And these are the stone drops, and I can't believe I was trying to make Hershey Kiss dots this time because I thought, self-leveling, let's see, and no, they leveled out, but they feel bumpy. They don't feel smooth, or they feel like a rock, which is so cool. I think that's really cool. Okay, so got this Baker's Twine, perfect pewter gray striped Baker's Twine. I will have more. I don't think the amount of Baker's Twine I both have and whatever, I don't think I'll be able to use it in my lifetime for sure, because you know how much is on these things, like eternal Baker's Twine amounts. And I have ones with way more than this, and there's no way. Anyway, they are having a big drop sale all of February, 60% off. Good for them. They also have dye storage. So this is the project, and I don't know what they called it. The Pivot, P-I-V-O-T, Pivot, I don't know. Gift box die and stamp set. So it can look like that, but it can also look like this. I'm not sure if I should add that flower or not add the flower. What do you think? Tell me in the comments, because I did not glue it down yet. So check it out. This box is a really good size too, and you know, I've had a bunch of different boxes and gift things and blah blah blah, and I can never mail them to anybody because they're weird shapes. Like this is a square. That's all there is to it. I mean, I guess it could squish, but you know, it wouldn't have to. Anyway, the width is, according to me, 1 7/8 by 3. Stop it. Stop being silly. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 5/8. Okay. And you get a top and the bottom. But isn't this pretty? There's even more. They have the verso, they call it, when they're all the cut-ins that are so pretty. But I did not use them. I just used the basic box and the inserts to go with the box. And that pops off. And you fill it up with yummy goodness. And here's your top. Put it back on. Send it on its way to its recipients. Isn't it adorable? I'm in love with this. I just think it's awesome. Bow? No bow. This is silver. This is a pretty, I don't know, spring green. I don't know what it looks like in here. I have a new light in here that is not task lighting. It is not even remotely, but it's pretty. So I need different light bulbs. Until then, might be a little cuckoo in color. So here are all of the goodies in the little folder. These are the dies. As you can see, this one here is the outline. If you look there, the outline of the box. This box is just, you know, square. And these are the inset ones. And they're so pretty. And there's tags also. Stop it. Then this is the scallop one that you do for the top and the bottom pieces, and all the little bits that you put in, and little enjoy. And there's a tag, and there's always so many dies to play with. It's so awesome. And these are the stamps that you can either put on the tag, or this stamp here would have looked perfect on the front, on the front. I guess that's why it's there. But, you know, so you get stamps, and you also get instructions, which is awesome. And remember, every so many months they send you a binder to put these in, which is super. Oh, and crafting makes everything better. They're always so proud of their special sticker. They're so cute if you ever watch them doing the opening and stuff. And the last part is the paper, which is always super duper yummy. Everybody knows it. All right. Look at this. Is that not beautiful? Oh, this paper, it's just gorgeous. Just had to think of something really, really fancy to use this with. Let me say. And then this one, I am in love with. You're not seeing it as well, but they're like There you go. They're like glittery, and putting that glitter paste through here on top of here would be awesome. And then we have regular cardstock. I think it's gray. And then like a maroon color. And then this is their shimmer card. Looks like it's in a brown. And then, oh, there I am. Where am I? Hi. Hi, everyone. Am I here? I don't know. Where am I? Am I on TV? Fix my glasses. Hi. Can you see my stuff behind me? Okay, that's enough. Backwards talking in warped paper. Look, now I look like I had, I don't even know, like a really long neck. All right, no more. Sorry. I get caught up. I was caught. This is very thick black paper. No, it's not 2 pieces. It's thick. Very thick. And then this is not very thick. It's regular, or, oh no. It's interesting. So, there it is. There you have it. That's all I got. I got my kit. I wanted to share it with you and share my fun box that I made with my kit, because I always like to try and show that I make something, you know. And who knows, somebody, like one of you awesome people, may end up getting my cool little box. Who knows? You never know. Who knows? Or it'll sit here and I'll forget, and then it'll get lost, and then I'll be upset, and then when I find it, it'll be too dusty. The story would go on and on and on. I don't think you understand. So there you go. So thank you so much for visiting me today and spending a little moment of your time watching me do crazy things. I so appreciate you all, and I'm so grateful to have you all hanging out with me. You're all just amazing, and I am super happy that you're here. And you know, you're awesome because you're here. What else would you be if you're going to come hang out with kooky heads like me? And I will see you all in the next video. Stay awesome, everyone. Bye.